Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can start accepting invitation on Temu. So what I mean by invitation is referral codes, right? You might have heard of referral codes in some apps, but basically you can get a code, you can give it to your friend, and that friend can use it as an invitation to get an app, and it's a win-win for both of you because when they use your referral code, you'll get something, and when they use a referral code, they get something as well. For example, free money or free credits or discounts or coupons and things like that. Now, the way you can access it is by going on this use section here. And on use section here, we want to go to credit balance. Now, on credit balance, you can see right now, my credit is 0, right? Now, you can start earning by clicking on this earn reward. Now, you can see that there's a couple of options here, right? And one of those options used to be find your referral code here and then give it to your friends. Right now, it's not available for me because I think my account is pretty new and I haven't bought anything, so there's no referral codes yet. But if your account is old and you've purchased something from Temu before, it should show up right here. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.